Welcome back, crafty friends. It's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and I am back with a super quick, unedited video to announce the winner of a giveaway. I had completely forgotten about it until I had a subscriber leave a comment asking if she had missed it. No, you haven't. I am so sorry that I am back late with this. But when I unboxed the Paige Evans Turn the Page Project Life Kit, I said I would be giving away one of each card that I showed in the video to a subscriber. So I'm going to do that. Now, if you wanted to win the kit, in your comment you had to put a special hashtag, just like right here, Card a Day in July with Crafty Al. So I'm going to use the YouTube random comment picker to choose a comment, and as long as it has that hashtag, that is the winner. Now, if you are the winner, make sure you listen until the end of this video for a reminder about how you're going to claim your prize. So let's go ahead and get started. What I do is just copy the URL for the video, and then that gets pasted here. There are 9 unique commenters, and then we're going to start, and that hopefully will pick our winner. All right. So Tanisha did have the hashtag in her comment. So congratulations again, Tanisha. I know that you won a recent giveaway of mine. Make sure you send me an email at callmecraftyal@gmail.com, and that is in the description box below. Go ahead, give me your mailing address again, and I do need to hear from you before next Saturday, so I'll need an email by Saturday the 28th of July. Again, sorry for the delay on this. Thank you to everybody who entered. I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye.